Welcome, new challenges. I'm Combo Master Z, and today we're going to be talking about Mugen again. Some stuff I left out. I'm going to start off with the ones that really need to happen first, and then the later ones will be, uh, the later ones will be bonus. Cause I don't know if it might happen, and we'll put time and work into it, but it'll be good if we can get all these for Mugen 2.0. So stay tuned. Number one, tour mode. Tour mode, what I mean is basically like an Edge Master mode from Soul Edge, or the tour mode from Street Fighter Alpha 3, the PlayStation version. This would be awesome if it was in Mugen. Just imagine a tour mode where you can go around the world fighting different characters. And with Mugen, it's like infinite stages, so it's like infinite possibility of places you would be able to go in, like, an Earth map. I'm not even saying just an Earth map. Maybe it can be a fantasy moving game, and it's like a fantasy world. Still, it would it would be the same. So tour mode, you got to put it in there. It would be awesome. It would be awesome if you can put that in Mugen. Dpad. Let us be able to use the Dpad. For some reason, Mugen, you either have to choose from joystick or Dpad. No. In any fighting game, well, not any fighting, most fighting games, you're able to use the D-pad and the analog stick. It makes no sense that you can only have to use one. Like my brother, he likes to use the D-pad, but he can't. I mean, he can, but then you have to give up the analog stick. So for later Mugen 2.0, that they definitely gotta add that. Better win transitions. Now I already talked about winning transitions in my last video. That was for like a Marvel vs. Capcom type, Marvel vs. Capcom 2 transition. I mean, like a transition that's more like in the more like the sense of a Street Fighter Alpha 3, where it transitions into the result of the battle, but you can still see the stage in the background. I'll just show you right now. Rival battles. Now, when I mean rival battles, I kind of mean like in the vein of Street Fighter Alpha 2 and Street Fighter 4. Is like you get to a certain point, or maybe it can be random. You get to a certain point, and then your rival like interrupts, and you fight him, and it's like a special dialogue and stuff. It's like you kind of have a boss battle in Mugen, because you just put him at the last fight, but also have rival battles because each character would have a specific rival battle, specific rival. So that'll be cool. All right, now we're coming down to the bonus. The ones I'm not sure would be possible, but I really hope someone would be able, if there even is a Mugen 2.0, someone would be able to do. Okay, here's the most realistic one. Make it easier for a Mugen player or Mugen creator to insert stages, music, and characters. The way music and stages and characters are put in the game is so tedious. You gotta put the character in the folder, then you gotta go to data and write the character in there. And then for stages, it's even worse. You have to put the stage inside the stage folder. Then you have to put the stage name in stages, but you can't even do that. You have to put stage first, and then at the end of it, put dot def. And that just gets tedious. Like putting all the stages like that, stage and then the stage name and then def is like so tedious. It takes forever. And then for music, it's even worse. You have to go to the stage and then put the stage music for each stage. Like, I don't know, it just seems a little hard for me. If it can be made easier, I'll be happy. But as it is now, I don't know, it's just tedious. A sprite editor. Now, I don't know how it would work. Maybe it can just be as like a separate program or whatever. But there's definitely has to be a sprite editor. That would be awesome. Okay. I know I talked about options before the fight, like you select with groove and all that stuff. Well, I thought about it and I realized that the best fighting game that had that, where you can customize the character before you fight, was Street Fighter Ultra 2. No, Street Fighter 4 Ultra. You can choose the character's moveset, his color, his his taunt, his super. It was so like it was perfect. Like that's how you do it. So yeah, I'm saying that right now. Next would be compatibility for browser. Yeah, you heard me right. Like a flash game. You can play Mugen on, the internet. Now, it's already been done because I seen a Mugen game that was for browser, but it was Mugen 1.1, and not only that, it was running slow. I feel that if you guys, I feel like if someone was to really work a little bit harder, they'll be able to put a full Mugen game on browser, like a window and like Internet Explorer or Chrome, and get it working nice, and it being Mugen 2.0 at the proper speed. Now, what would the use of this be? Well, someone can download a Mugen and someone can play a Mugen before they download it, before they really decide to download it. Like it's kind of like Super Smash Flash. You play Smash Flash on the browser, see if it's good, and then you download, right? So it would just be cool. I don't know if it's possible, but it'll be awesome. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Uh do leave a comment of what you think should be in Mugen 2.0. Give me some more ideas. I'm making a Google slide. I want to put all the ideas in there, for any developers that might take up this project. But other than that, that's it, guys. Peace out.
Complete. The legend will never die.